Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For this particular video, I'd like for you to go through with me on my usual day. So this was on a Thursday, and normally I wake up, drink some water to hydrate because you need to hydrate in the morning. And after that, I take my Bible. I don't do this every other day, but I'm trying to make it a habit. So I was going to read from the book of Proverbs chapter 3, and you'll hear me read in a few. And it says, "My child, remember my teachings and instructions, and obey them completely. It will help you live a long and prosperous life. Let love and loyalty always show like a necklace, and write them in your mind. God and people will like you and consider you a success. Because your heart you must trust the Lord and not your own judgment. Always let him lead you, and he will do what you follow. Do not ever think that you are wise enough, but respect the Lord and stay away from evil. This will make you healthy and you will feel strong. Honor the Lord by giving him your money and never spend for all your clothes." So this is the tithe and offering, and is not then you will have no worries and tricks that you will ever. My child, don't run away from coming. When the Lord corrects you, never correct anyone else, just as parents correct their favorite child. After that, I did some folding because I had done my laundry the previous day. So I had a number of clothes that needed folding. I'll stay like this for 6 to 10 minutes. See how charcoal does to your teeth. I've mixed moisturizer and sunscreen. To be honest, I really hate it when laptops and phones are dirty, and it's so embarrassing when you open a laptop in public and there's so much dust, especially right now because it's not rained for a while. Laptops and phones kind of attract a lot of dust, so I wanted to start my day off by studying and doing some assignments, and I'm using sanitizer just to clean up my laptop. So as you can see, that's what I was doing. Then after this, I remembered I finished my face routine, but my hair was looking really bad and I'm not good at doing the edges, so I just brushed them back, put on my bonnet, and went to study. So I was finishing my assignment and I got a 19 out of 20. I was so happy, but the test was quite easy, just general knowledge. My average up to now is 95%. Yay! And then I went to a module that I'm currently reading. So that's it. Yes. Let's continue.